So here's how to forward Clickfunnels website domain to GoDaddy domain. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all other features for both the plans are the same. So to get started, click on my link in the description and log in to your Clickfunnels account. Then, you will reach the Clickfunnels dashboard. So once you're in the Clickfunnels dashboard, go over to the left panel right here. Here, you will get to see a lot of options. So from the options, go ahead and click on Funnels. And once you're in this section, you will see all the funnels you have. Now go over to the bottom left corner and click on Workspace Settings. And once you're here, look for the Domains option on the left side and click on it. So as you can see, we're now in the Domain section. Here, you'll be able to see your domain name and the status of your domain. Also, your payment methods on the right. You can get a free domain or connect an existing domain. So click on Connect Existing Domain. Then, you will get to see this pop-up where you need to put the URL of your existing domain. So, I will go ahead and put it in. You can write your domain just like this. And once you're done typing your domain in, click on Continue on the right side. After that, you will get to see your domain right here, and also some additional information. Then, just go ahead and click on Add Domain. So once you click on Add Domain, you need to wait a few moments. Then, you will be redirected to this page right here. And once you're in this page, you will be able to see your status of your domain. You can click on Start Domain Setup and also the recommended options on the bottom. Here, you can click on Show DNS Table. After that, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of information regarding your DNS. You can also click on Remove Domain if you want. Now, scroll up to the top onto this section. From here, just go ahead and click on Start Domain Setup. After that, wait for a while for it to load up. After that, you will get to see this pop-up. You can connect your domain to your website from right here. And also, you can see additional information, like the security features and also how easy it is. So now, just go ahead and click on Continue. And as you can see, it's now analyzing your domain. After this part is done, you need to select your domain provider. So scroll through the options and select GoDaddy as your domain provider. You can also use the search bar on the top to search and find GoDaddy or your other preferred domain provider. So here, just click on GoDaddy and you need to put in your username and password and click on Continue. So I will now open up a new tab and search for GoDaddy. After that, from the results page, just click on the first link in the results, which is for GoDaddy.com. And as you can see, we're now in the official website of GoDaddy. Here, click on Start for Free on the right side. This is to sign up or log in to your existing GoDaddy account. Here, just put in your credentials and click on Sign In. You can also use your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. So, I will go ahead and select Google. After that, from the options, select the account that you want to use. Then, click on Continue. And after that, if you're already a member, you will get to see this option. So here, you can click on Link My Account if you want to link it to your existing account. Now, just put in the credentials for your existing account, and after that, you need to click on Sign In. So, I will go ahead and put in the details. First of all, put in your username or customer ID. Then, you need to type in your password. You can also click on Use Email if you want to use your email address instead. So put it in and click on Continue. After that, in order to create your account, you can click on Continue with Email. Now, put in your email address which you want to use for creating your account. And after you're done, you need to put in your new username. So I will go ahead and type it in. And as you can see, this username is already in use. So I will make some changes and put in my new password. Make sure that your password is strong. Then just agree or decline. And after that, click on Create Account. And once you click on Create Account, you will be taken to this page. So click on Send Verification Code. Now, you will receive a 6-digit verification code onto your email. So open your email and copy the code and paste it right here. You can also type it in if you want. So I will type it in and click on Verify Code. Now just wait for it to get verified. So after that, you will get this question. What are some features your website needs? So select the one you need. After that, from what kind of business you have, select the option. Now, on this part, you need to put in the name for your business. So, type in the name, and after that, click on Continue on the bottom right. On the next page, you need to describe your business, or you can skip this step as well. After that, you can see this message that building your website's architecture. So that means your website is being generated. So wait for a while for it to get generated. Sometimes it may take a while. So you gotta be patient. So once it's done loading up, you will get to see this page. And as you can see, your website is created. Now, you will get to see these pop-ups. Cancel them. And this is the page where you can customize your website. Now go over to the Clickfunnels tab and log into your GoDaddy account by putting in your username or customer ID. After that, put in your password. Then, click on Continue. And as you can see, it says Setting up your domain. Now, just wait for a while for it to get connected to your domain. And once it's done, you will receive a verification code on your email. So go ahead and type in the number. Then, click on Continue. I've mistakenly put in the wrong number. So let me correct this. Now, I will type in the code again. And once it's done, I will click on Continue. And as you can see, it says this may take a few minutes. So, you gotta be patient and wait it out. And once it's done, your Clickfunnels website domain will be forwarded to GoDaddy domain. And that is exactly how to forward Clickfunnels website domain to GoDaddy domain.